Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, hard disk drive assembly, right trunk, right support bracket, right fan, left trunk, left support bracket, left fan, I/O board, system board, display panel assembly, display bezel, display panel hinges, display support bracket, and display panel. Removal. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left hinge bracket to the display enclosure. Remove the left hinge bracket from the alignment pins and retention tabs on the display enclosure. The right hinge bracket is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Place the left hinge bracket under the retention clips and onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left hinge bracket to the display enclosure. The right hinge bracket is replaced in the same manner.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.